In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn any piece of text into a polished LinkedIn post using the ChatGPT Atlas app. Whether you're aiming to enhance your professional branding or simply share insights with your network, this powerful tool can help you craft content that stands out. First, you'll want to begin by opening the ChatGPT Atlas app. This is our starting point for tapping into the capabilities of AI to refine and elevate your text. Make sure your app is up to date to ensure you have access to the latest features and improvements for an optimal experience. Once you have the app open, it's time to navigate to the website you're interested in. Today, let's say we're focusing on AI Invest, a site brimming with complex ideas and information ripe for sharing with your professional circle. Surfing through this site can provide you with valuable content that deserves a wider audience. Deep dive into the articles, insights, or reports that resonate with you and consider what themes or messages will make a compelling LinkedIn post. Now, look to the sidebar in the ChatGPT Atlas app. This is where you'll find the Ask ChatGPT option, which is pivotal in transforming your selected content. Clicking on this will enable you to leverage the AI's capabilities in refining and repurposing your chosen text. Here comes a crucial part of the process: creating your prompt. Since our goal today is to convert content into a LinkedIn post, you might want your prompt to be sharp and to the point. You could type in something along the lines of, "Convert this into a LinkedIn post." This clarity in your prompt ensures that the AI understands exactly what you're aiming to achieve. It's this instruction that steers the AI's output, so remember to articulate the desired format and tone, perhaps something professional and engaging, to best suit the LinkedIn platform. With your prompt ready, it's time to take the final step by hitting the Submit button. This is where the AI magic happens, translating your selected content and given prompt into a polished LinkedIn post. Upon submission, watch as the app processes your request and delivers a refined post that's ready to captivate and inform your LinkedIn audience. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've harnessed the power of ChatGPT Atlas to transform any intricate information into a streamlined piece suitable for professional networking. As you continue to experiment with this tool, you'll find your confidence and creativity growing, allowing you to communicate ideas more effectively and expand your professional reach. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to share your newly crafted LinkedIn posts in the comments below. Happy posting!